Here in part 4 are a few more pictures of the new Adidas ULTRABOOST 5X. The difference between these pictures and the other pictures I showed in part 1, which was not from 21 Run, is that I am 99% sure that these are real. Here you can see some of the fake ones that you have been able to buy in China for several months, as I talked about in part 1. However, it should be mentioned that this version you can buy in China is the so-called Adidas ULTRABOOST 5 and not the X model. But it looks like the outsole is almost the same. Maybe the slight difference is because there are two models. Or is it because they haven't managed to copy it properly? I do not know yet. I have a theory that only an Adidas ULTRABOOST 5X and not the ULTRABOOST 5 will be released. It is based on the fact that I have seen ULTRABOOST 5X in several stores now. But only in one place have I seen ULTRABOOST 5. But my theories have failed before. So you probably shouldn't completely trust them. But I still think it's a genuine Adidas shoe. 21 Run just has a history of showing the shoes a little too early. The reason I made this part 4 was mostly just to show the outsole. This is part 3 of the Adidas ULTRABOOST 5 and ULTRABOOST 5X. Now we know quite a bit more about the ULTRABOOST 5X. But I do not know what the difference is between the two models. I have shared my thoughts in part 2. As you can see after this one. But here's what Adidas says about the 5X. Whatever your running level, the Adidas ULTRABOOST 5X is the ideal neutral all-round shoe. This shoe is not only ideal for daily runs, but is also excellent for tempo and interval training due to the fast nature of the shoe. Choose versatility and reliability with this all-round running shoe. Midsole. The shoe has the light boost foam. The foam is known for its light weight due to the unique molecular design. This design consists of hundreds of boost capsules that are full of energy and provide extra comfort and ultimate cushioning. The capsules together provide a boost with every step you take during your run. An additional advantage is that the foam is very resistant to temperature changes. Whatever the weather, you are ready to run, partly because of this foam. Energy Torsion Rod 2.0 forms a bridge between the forefoot and the rear foot. By supporting the midfoot, the foot rolls off more easily while running. Upper. The engineered mesh upper provides flexibility and breathability in strategic places, while in other places the shoe is a bit tighter. The shoe is a bit tighter around the midfoot for a secure and supportive feeling. The upper is made of synthetic yarn. The outsole. Premium Continental rubber has been used in the forefoot for extra grip, even in wet conditions. An additional advantage is that Continental rubber is also very durable and wear resistant. Get the most out of your run with the Adidas ULTRABOOST 5X. If you are interested in seeing more, then part 2 is coming here. This video is part 2 of the Adidas ULTRABOOST 5. My first video got a lot of dislikes. I know I'm not a very good YouTuber, and I can't speak English either. But I love training and shoes. And now it's the fourth pair of shoes we see from a recognized running store in the Netherlands. With the name Adidas ULTRABOOST 5. So maybe it's not completely wrong. But the most interesting thing is that there is now also a model ULTRABOOST 5X. I have not seen this model on Chinese sites. If you don't know what I mean, watch part 1, which comes right after this video. Let's try to compare the ULTRABOOST 5X with the ULTRABOOST 5. My first thought is that the ULTRABOOST 5X is a lighter shoe. At least it looks like they saved some grams in this area. But we'll have to see when we know more. And again, remember, as I have said in my other videos, it is always easy to know the result after the match. I'm not claiming what I'm saying is right, I'm just sharing my thoughts. If you know anything, please share it, so that we can all become a little wiser. Here comes part 1. My apologies to those who have seen my video about the Adidas Pro 4. I say pretty much the same thing in this video, it's just made for those who are only interested in the ULTRABOOST. And again, I'm sorry for this computer voice. I can't speak English. According to 21 Run, it will be called Adidas ULTRABOOST 5 and not ULTRABOOST 24. I'm 99% sure this shoe is from Adidas. I'm just as sure that these shoes are fake shoes which are copied, as we now know, from the original. Because you have been able to order them in many colors under a different name for a very long time. I find it shocking how they are able to copy the shoes so quickly. If we assume that the two pairs that 21 Run has on their website are genuine Adidas shoes, as one must assume when it is a recognized running store. In any case, I could not imagine that they would show a pair of fake shoes. Of course, I also cannot say with certainty that the original shoes look exactly like this. Because we only have one picture of them. But I suppose so.